In this question, three sets D, E and F are given. You have to write them in roster form. Let's begin the solution of this question. Let's consider the first set D which is given to us. D is equal to X is such that X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Here we have all the divisors of 60, as you can see. Now, out of these divisors of 60, only 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Therefore, the divisors of 60 which are prime are 2, 3 and 5. Hence, D in roster form will be equal to 2, 3, 5. Next, let us consider the set E. The set E is given as the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. While writing this in roster form, we have to keep two things in mind. First one is the order of writing of elements does not matter. And the second point which we should keep in mind is the elements of a set are not repeated. Therefore, the members of the set E are T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E and Y. Hence, the set E in roster form will be T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. Let us now consider the set F. The set F is given by the set of all letters in the word better. Now we have already seen in the previous part that the order of writing of elements does not matter, and the second point is the elements of a set are not repeated. Therefore, the elements of the set F are B, E, T and R. Hence, F can be written in roster form as F is equal to B, E, T, R. So this completes the solution. In this question, two sets are given. You have to write them in set builder form. Let's begin the solution of this question. Let us consider the first one. The given set is 3, 6, 9, 12. Now, if you observe the elements of this set very carefully, you can see that 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. And 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So the elements of the given set are the first 4 multiples of 3. Hence, the given set can be written in set builder form as X is such that X is equal to 3n, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 4. The next set given to us is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now let us observe the elements of this set. So 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 1. 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. Then we have 8. 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Then we have 16. 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Then we have 32. 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Hence, the given set can be written in set builder form as x is such that x is equal to 2 to the power of n, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 5. So this completes the solution. In this question, 3 sets are given to you. You have to write these given sets in set builder form. Let's begin the solution. Here we have the third part of the given question, and the elements of the given set are 5, 25, 125 and 625. Now if you observe the elements very carefully, you can see that 5 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1. Then we have 25. So 25 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2. Next we have 125. And 125 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3. And then we have 625, which is equal to 5 raised to the power of 4. Hence, the given set can be written in set builder form as x is such that x is equal to 5n, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 4. So this completes the third part. Here we have the set given in the fourth part of the question. Now, this is clear that it is a set of even natural numbers. So we can say that the given set is the set of even natural numbers. Hence, we can write the given set in the set builder form as x is such that x is an even natural number. So this completes the fourth part of the question. So here we have the set given in the fifth part of the question. Now if you observe the elements of the set, you can say that these are the squares of the first 10 natural numbers. So we write that the elements of the given set are the squares of the first 10 natural numbers. So the given set can be written as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square till 10 square. So this can be written in the set builder form as x is such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 10. So this completes the solution of this question. In this question, 3 sets are given: set A, set B and set C. You have to list all the elements of the given sets. Let's begin the solution of this question. The first set given to us is A is equal to x is such that x is an odd natural number. Now, the odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. This list is never ending because the number of odd natural numbers is infinite. Hence, the set A will be equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So this completes the first part. In the second part, we have set B, which is equal to x is such that x is an integer and minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. It's given x is an integer and also minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2, and this can be written as minus 0.5 less than x less than 4.5. Therefore, the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hence, the set B will be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this completes the second part of the given question. In the third part, we are given with a set C which is equal to x is such that x is an integer and x square is less than or equal to 4. It is given that x is an integer, also x square is less than or equal to 4. Let us now find the values of x for which these two conditions are satisfied. Now, minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So this is less than or equal to 4. Then minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So this is also less than or equal to 4. So this condition is satisfied. Then we have 0 square is equal to 0. So this is also less than or equal to 4. Now we have 1 square which is equal to 1. So this is also less than or equal to 4. Then we have 2 square. So this is also equal to 4. So this is less than or equal to 4. So we have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2 as the values of x. Therefore, the values of x are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Hence, the elements of the set C are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So with this we come to the end of the solution of this question. In this question, 3 sets D, E and F are given to you. You have to list all the elements of the given sets. Let's begin the solution of this question. In the fourth part of the question, a set D is given which is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. Now, by writing down the elements of a set, you should keep two things in mind. The order of writing the elements does not matter. And the second point is, the elements are not repeated. Therefore, the elements of the set D are L, O, Y and A. Hence, D is equal to, that is the set D is equal to L, O, Y, A. So this completes the fourth part. In the fifth part, the set E is given as x is such that x is a month of year not having 31 days. Now, we know that the months of year not having 31 days are February, April, June, September and November. Hence, E is equal to, that is the set E is equal to February, April, June, September and November. So this completes the fifth part of this question. In the sixth part of the question, the set F is given as x is such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Now, we know that the consonants which precede K in the English alphabet are B, C, D, F, G, H and J. Hence, the set F will be B, C, D, F, G, H and J. So with this we come to the end of the solution of this question. In this question, certain sets are given in the left column in roster form and certain sets are given in the right column in set builder form. You need to match the sets given in the left column in roster form to their equal sets in the right column given in set builder form. So let's begin the solution of this question. Let us consider the first set given in roster form in the left column. Now, on observing these elements, we can say that the elements of the given set are natural numbers. And one more fact we observe, these elements 1, 2, 3 and 6 are also divisors of 6. Hence, this set 1, 2, 3, 6 can be written as x is such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So we can match this one with this C. The next set in roster form given to us is 2, 3. Now, on observing these elements 2 and 3, we see that these elements are prime numbers. Also, these elements 2 and 3 are divisors of 6. Hence, the set 2, 3 can be written as x is such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So, we can match this number 2 with A. Here we have the third set given in roster form. Now, if you observe the elements of this set, you can see that these elements are the letters of the word mathematics. Hence, the given set can be written in set builder form as x is such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So, we can match this third part to D. Let us now consider the fourth set given in roster form. Now, on observing the elements of this set, we find that the elements are the odd natural numbers less than 10. Hence, the given set can be written in set builder form as x is such that x is an odd natural number less than 10. So, we can match this fourth part to part B. So here we have fourth part being matched with part B. So this completes the solution of this question.